What up, what up, what up, y'all? Easy Silent Hustle here every day, all day, y'all. We ain't playing no games, y'all. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to buy and sell a stock on the Robinhood app. This is a beginner's video who is learning how to purchase stocks or selling stocks. This is what this video is for, okay? Y'all, please comment down below what videos you want to see. Please like this video and please, please, please subscribe. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, all right? All right, so let's get into this video.
If nobody ever told you, well, I say you're awesome. This is for the underrated, undiscovered bosses. Yeah, the silent hustlers. You know you.
All right, y'all, we back. All right, let's go with, we're going to purchase, these are some of my stocks I already have, but we're going to go with, let's go with Bed Bath & Beyond. We're going to purchase one share of Bed Bath & Beyond, okay? So once you do it, you go down here to the where you see trade is, and you click on trade. Once you click on trade, you're going to click on buy. All right. Then it's going to ask you how many shares you want. You can go ahead and click one share and you'll purchase it at the market price. So whatever the price is at that moment, that's what you're purchasing. It actually can go up to $9.92, $9.93. But what I say do is go ahead and click up at the top where it says shares. Go ahead and click that drop down menu and go ahead and click on limit buy. Limit order buy, okay? When you click on limit order buy, go ahead and hit continue. And what you're telling it, you want to tell them, I want to purchase Bed Bath & Beyond at the prices at right now. See how it went down to $9.90? So you want to purchase it at $9.90 or $9.91, okay? So I'm telling them I want to purchase it at this price. Once you hit that, you can actually say, go ahead and purchase it at the extended hours or the market hours. How long do you want it to last? Do you want it just from today from 9 to 6, all the way from 9 to 6, or do you want it during the market hours? I just choose 9 to 6, no particular reason, okay? It's just saying that you choosing extended hours. Instead of 9 to 4, you choosing 9 to 6. I always choose September, whatever the date is right here. So it says September the 17th. Is either you can purchase it, you can say you want to buy it up until today, or you want to buy it to expire months from now. So I'm saying just go ahead and expire whatever month it always says, which is good to September, okay? Now I'm going to go ahead and tell it how many shares I want to buy. So you can go where it says 0, you can actually do 1 shares, you can do 2 shares, you can do 20 shares, okay? So right here where it says 1 share, you're going to see the price right here where it says estimated cost $39.60. And you can also see, oh, that's for 4 shares, I'm sorry. So for 1 share, you see it's $9.90. And right now, up at the top where it says $23.69, that's how much I have available to spend. So we're going to just purchase 1 share at $9.90. All right. We're going to go ahead and hit the check mark. Once you hit the check mark, you're going to see a preview of your order. And then you're just going to swipe up. And that's all you're going to do, okay? All right, y'all, I got a bonus for you. Robinhood now lets you buy a fraction of some shares. So, for example, if Tesla is now at $1,000, and if you cannot buy 1 share, which is $1,000 a share, they now let you buy fractional shares, which means a little portion of it. So you can go on the Robinhood app and say, hey, I want to purchase $10 worth of Tesla, and they'll give you some fractional of shares. $10 may be worth 0.009 fraction of shares of Tesla. So I'm about to show you those steps now. So let's get into the video. Let's get back into the video. Right now, Robinhood has fractional shares. So for example, you may not be able to purchase Tesla, right? Tesla right now is at $1,000 a share, okay? So instead of buying 1 share, you can actually buy fractional of shares, okay? And I'm going to show you how to do that one right quick as well before I show you how to sell one. So you're going to do the same thing. Go into Tesla. When you go into Tesla, you're going to hit trade. Once you hit trade, you know it's $1,000 a share. Once you hit trade, you're going to hit buy again. And up here at the top where it says shares, you're going to click that button. And then you're going to go buy in dollars, okay? Buy in dollars. So you're saying, hey, I just want to buy $2 worth of Tesla shares, just $2, which is fractional shares, $2 of fractional shares. All right. And it says I have $13.79 available because I just sent part of it on the Bed Bath & Beyond. Okay. So go ahead and hit the check mark. If you want to do $10, whatever you want to buy. If you want to buy $10 worth, you can do $10 worth. Okay. Buy. And you can do $10, you can do $20, you can do whatever, but just make sure up at the top it says dollars, okay? Then once you buy $10 worth, I'm just going to do $10 because I have $13 available. I'm going to purchase $10 of it. Check mark. And then swipe up. And it's actually saying that you're buying 0.009997 shares of Tesla. All right. And then you just swipe up. And that's how you purchase it in fractional shares. Okay. And hit done. Now, let's say you want to sell. So it's one of these here. Let's see. All right. I got 1 share of G Pro. I'm going to sell G Pro. All right, I'm going to go in here and I'm going to sell G Pro. And don't ask why. I was just looking down at what I actually wanted to sell. The rest of them I really want to hold, okay? So once you go in to G Pro, we're going to go ahead and hit trade. And once you hit trade, you're going to hit sell. And once we sell, we're going to say the number of shares we want to sell, which is 1. And we're going to sell it at $4, whatever the market is right now, okay? And the market is at $4.49. We're going to go ahead and you can do the same thing here if you wanted to. Do a limit order. You can do a limit order, continue, and you can say, hey, I want to sell it no less than $4.49. You know, just go ahead and do the same thing you did last time. Instead of just hitting whatever the market is, go ahead and tell it how much you want to sell it for. So I want to sell this no less than $4.49. Hit the green check, hit extended hours again. And then say up until September, you'll sell it. And then number of shares you want to sell. This is a preview. 1 for $4.49. You're going to go ahead and hit check mark. And then swipe up. And that's how you buy and sell a stock on Robinhood app. This is Easy Silent Hustle here every day, all day. Y'all, we ain't playing no games. Y'all, please like, comment, and subscribe down below. I'm trying to get 1,000 subscribers. And thank you. Peace.
Silent hustle, yeah. If nobody ever told you, well, I say you're awesome. This is for the underrated, undiscovered bosses. Yeah, yeah, the silent hustlers. You know you a boss, ayy. Silent hustle, but you hustle hard, ayy.